Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Spendee application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and if you haven't logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into the Spendee homepage. Now, from the homepage, if you wish to log out, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner and you will see the Logout button at the very bottom. Go ahead and tap on the Logout button, and now you will directly be logged out from your Spendee account. If you wish to log back in, you can simply tap on the sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple, as well as the email option. You can then continue forward with your credentials and you will be logged in to your account on Spendee once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Spendee application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.